What's going on, family? Your welding coach, Joel Brown Jr., aka Black Phoenix, checking in. We are going live right now in East Point, Atlanta, Georgia. And this is part of the building that they want to designate for me to help build a program to teach. This is actually just a lot of leftover material from different jobs. They do fences, gates, and stuff like this. And as you see, this is a real good area that we can form into a classroom situation. A lot of space, fam. They got a lot of space. They do all-purpose welding, means fabricating, installing rails, you name it, guard, fences. They do a lot. They do those big trash can doors, barriers. They got a lot going on, a lot of space. And we're in East Point, Atlanta, Georgia. East Point. And we want to get a program where we can really help these kids learn how to weld, learn the process, learn how to fabricate, fam. Learn how to fabricate fences. They do it all here. He said he teach them how to do the painting. He teach them the MIG welding process. He got some tombstone welders over there. He teach them how to do that. I mean, the goal is to learn it all. That's why they call their company All Purpose, because you want to learn everything. So if you're going to make yourself into an asset, learn it all. Learn everything, because all of this is going to be able to help you make money later. Because you got to think about it. The paper that we got in our hand, that stuff ain't real. But you know what is real? Them skills that pay the bills, fam. The skills that pay the bills are real, fam. So just keep that in mind. They are real. So I'm in East Point, Atlanta, Georgia right now, networking so I can be able to kill 7 birds with 1 stone, fam. I'm trying to introduce the FWP program here in East Point, Atlanta, Georgia. And this was the first family-orientated business that reached out to me and said, hey, we got a space. We like what you're doing. Come check us out. See if we can network. See if we can partner. So that's why I'm here, fam. I'm here getting my hog on. Came down. As I say, they make different type of gates and stuff. They do it all, fam. But I'm here. You see me? East Point. East Point, Atlanta, Georgia. Over here, right beside the network. What do they say? The network ATL. Right beside the network ATL. See me. We getting the hog on, fam. Y'all check them out. They're really trying to help the community, and they've been around for over 20 years servicing this area. And now they also want to pour some of this knowledge that they're doing into the youth, into the kids. They want to teach them how to do this, everything, fam, everything that they do. So you got an opportunity not just to learn welding, fabrication, painting, installing, all of the above. Make sure y'all come down here and check them out. Appreciate the love and support. Y'all grab that ebook, the Rich Welder ebook. I have a bundle, and right now I got 6 books available. So I appreciate the love and support. For those who haven't subscribed to any of my channels, my YouTube, my TikTok, my Instagram, y'all check that out as well. Your welding coach. Hold on.